As you can see, this plastic is very faded and it's time to fix it. First step is clean surface, then dry it. When it's all dry, mask around trim. It's better to use liquid bumper black like this one. Aerosol type bumper blacks create mess and don't work that well. Just put it on a rag and spread on faded trim. Let it dry. When surface become less glossy, it's time to buff with clean rag. After buffing, trim looks better, then just repeat this process until you're happy with the results. Trick here to apply bumper black where it's hard to reach with rag. I gave 3 coats and I was happy with the results for now. In future I will repeat this process to get even better look. After all, you can touch trim and that doesn't make hands dirty. Check out this before and here's the after. It's shiny and actually black. I just bought random liquid bumper black and it worked great. Thanks for watching.